Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. So in this video, I'm going to introduce about part of our vertical roller mills, which is the grinding rollers here. And as you can see, as for the structures of the grinding roller, so you can see this is a forged shaft, and then inside the forged shaft there is a cover that is made of steel casting, the casting of metal casting workshop. And then outside there's also another metal casting that connects to the middle casting. So and then we also have the hardened surface of this grinding roller. So the function of this grinding roller is you will have this grinding roller connected to the rocker arm, and then together this device is connected to a hydraulic cylinder, and then these four rollers will act the force on the grinding table, and then the materials will be passed between the grinding roller and the grinding table. So as you can see here, we have two types of grinding rollers. We have the conical type grinding rollers, and we also have the round type grinding rollers. Because different process flow that we will design the grinding roller differently. So in our next video, I will give a brief introduction of how these grinding rollers are assembled. So thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.